Hi, welcome to Math Recipes 101. I, Laiba Fatma Khan, and my partner Bakhtavar Shafat started Math Recipes, a platform to provide fun and interesting learning experience with mathematics. At Math Recipes, we use visual storytelling and animations to provide kids with interactive math lessons so they can enjoy learning, overcome confusions, and also remember the concepts for a long time. Since most parents can't afford expensive tuitions or help their kids themselves, Math Recipes is a free resource, accessible anytime, anywhere. Math Recipes aims to cater to all students, regardless of their varying cognitive abilities. Our primary target market is primary school kids and their parents, since a good base is key to advanced progress. We carefully designed our business model after meticulously preparing customer profiles for primary school kids and also their parents. We figured that the main cause of math struggles lie in dry and boring teaching style and academic pressure. Hence, we plan to make videos that teach you math concepts while keeping the mood not really study and in fact super fun. Check out Math Recipes and discover a new flavor of mathematics. Thank you.